Alright everyone, welcome back. We are looking at AGIX. I do not remember the last time we looked at it. I know we looked at it recently, but just by going what we see on the chart here, you can see that you're holding your 2272 up here at 47. We are currently at 459. So we're sitting right on our 21-day EMA and keeping it simple, just pretty much watch this price here. As long as you hold this price area at your 21 at this 2272 at 47, then you have a shot to bounce up here to your 2618 for about a 51% move up here to 69.5. So just keep an eye on that price there, and your next resistance is all the way up there at 69.5. So if you end up losing your 21 and this 272 level here, you can see you do have your 50-day EMA, which you dipped below back here, but you ultimately held it as support. It is currently at 40.6, so 40 and a half pennies on AGIX needs to hold if you end up losing this 47 here. So we'll just go ahead and measure this really quick. And ultimately, you can see on the chart here, if you end up losing that 40 cent area for about a 12% drop, then your next stop down here is the 1618 at 22.5 for about a 50%, 51% move. You can also see you do have your 200-day moving average here also. So you'll probably end up catching that somewhere before you hit 22.5 down here. So a lot of support to the downside for AGIX. It still looks extremely bullish in my opinion. I don't see... We do have a bearish cross, as you can see here on the MACD. Let me zoom in there. So that's not a good sign there. So you may be dropping down here to test your 50-day moving average for support. So like I said, you may dip below it again like you did back here. So just watch this 40 cent area, even like it did back here. Down back here was anywhere from about 30 cents up to about 36. So that little price range here, I would watch that 50 to hold. Like I said, if not, you're going to have a massive drop on your hands down here to 22. So yeah, I mean, I don't really see anything else on the chart. I don't see any patterns going on. Let's see if we have a little uptrend in play here. So yeah, it looks like you should dip down here and hold your 50-day EMA for support. And you're still extremely bullish. If you end up holding this trend line here and bouncing, then it's really good to push higher. So this little cross here may be just for it to dip down to about this 37 area. So yeah, I would keep an eye on that. But like I said, it looks good. RSI is curling down, but it is still above the 50 here. So we'll see if we can get a bounce and get a curl back up on the MACD here. Lastly, let's look at the Heikin-Ashi candles. Pretty much indecisive, as you can see here. It's going back and forth. So we'll see if it can get the momentum back to the upside and bounce here. So that's what I would watch for. We'll leave it at that. I would say that you're probably coming back down here for a move like this. And then a bounce, and maybe back up here to your 618. If not, you're going to end up coming down here, getting rejected at 47, and then falling down here, and either catching your 1618 at 22.5, or like I said, your 200-day moving average, which should move up, and you'll catch it at some point in that 20-cent range. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just watch all those different prices and different scenarios on AGIX. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.